Alright, so just a quick video. There's a Golf 2.0 and it's an automatic and it wouldn't start. So, do you have the keyboard? Cool. Alright, so when we turn on the car, all the gear selections are lit, and when we turn the key to start and it wouldn't start, we actually jumped the starter and put power straight to it and we got it running. But what you can do is there's a relay up underneath the dash, and it's what, 175?
175, yep.
Yeah, relay 175. You can actually pull the cover off the relay, and this connector back here, if you click that, that'll actually bump your starter. So if you have it in second position and bump that, then you can get your car started and drive it around. It'll probably run like poop because the transmission doesn't know what gear it's in. So when it's shifting, it's just probably shifting off the solenoids. So it probably won't shift smoothly, but you can move your car.